Integrating SAS Base with other data systems and platforms. We'll explore the importance of integrating SAS Base with other data systems and platforms, the benefits it can bring, and some best practices for successful integration. Why integrate SAS Base with other data systems and platforms? Integrating SAS Base with other data systems and platforms allows organizations to leverage the power of SAS Base while accessing data stored in different systems. Best practices for integrating SAS Base with other systems. Identify integration goals. Define clear integration goals and objectives. Understand what you aim to achieve through integration and how it will benefit your organization. Assess data compatibility. Ensure compatibility between SAS Base and other data systems in terms of data formats, protocols, and security requirements. Design an integration strategy. Develop a comprehensive integration strategy that outlines the steps, tools, and resources needed for successful integration. Test integration. Conduct thorough testing to identify and address any potential issues or errors. Test data exchange, analysis, and reporting functionalities to ensure seamless operation. Monitor and maintain integration. Once integration is complete, monitor its performance regularly to ensure data integrity and system stability. Implement regular maintenance and updates to keep the integration running smoothly. Conclusion. In conclusion, integrating SAS Base with other data systems and platforms is essential for organizations looking to optimize their data processes, improve efficiency, and enhance decision-making capabilities.